My experience has been you have to engage with the farmer. You have to spend time on the farm and try and understand the farming operation, because they will all be different and every situation will have its own subtleties and differences. And I think you have to be able to explain to the farmer where you are trying to get to and why you want to get there. I've been on quite a few farms with significant anthelmintic resistance, and you have to try and put a dollar value on what that's costing the farmer, and often they're very surprised because they can't obviously see the effects necessarily unless it's really bad. And so if you start putting a dollar value on it, they start to understand what it's costing them. The first thing and the most important thing is you have to test, you have to know the resistance status of your farm. If you don't, then you can't make sensible decisions about what anthelmintics you use or even what management practices you go. Quarantine treatment and quarantine procedures are probably the most, apart from testing the efficacy of your anthelmintics, today is probably the single most important thing, because resistance is moving from farm to farm in animals that are transferred, and that's very common. It's now starting to cause some real problems for us. I would be totally opposed to the use of porons except for very unusual situations. So we might use a poron for lungworm for a specific cause, but on the whole I think the evidence is compelling that porons have almost done their dash. Their days are numbered, so long actings makes it really difficult to control refugia, and you get selection, you get tail selection as the drug levels decline. And for us, the other one which is really easy is use of combinations. So the New Zealand anthelmintic market is, we have almost no single active products available. We still have some single active porons and injections, but on the whole, all our market is dominated by combination drugs.